Welcome back! Are you ready for a full leg stretch? This yoga pose promotes flexibility, stretches the legs, cures back pain, stretches the spine. Avoid this yoga pose if you have chronic back conditions, knee injury and shoulder pain. Now let's see the Supta Padangusthasana A in action. Start from lying on your back. Your knees must be bent. Your feet flexed, pressing out through the heels. Inhale, exhale, and draw the right knee into your chest. Next, loop a strap around the arch of your right foot. Then, straighten and extend the right leg up to the ceiling until the arms are straight. Keep your shoulders pressing in the floor. Continue this yoga pose in motion. Repeat for 5 repetitions. Three, 2, 1. Now, stay in this position for 30 seconds. Finally, relax your right leg with a shake. Start from lying on your back. Your knees must be bent. Your feet flexed, pressing out through the heels. Inhale, exhale, and draw the left knee into your chest. Next, loop a strap around the arch of your left foot. Then, straighten and extend the left leg up to the ceiling until the arms are straight. Keep your shoulders pressing in the floor. Continue this yoga pose in motion. Repeat for 5 repetitions. Three, 2, 1. Now, stay in this position for 30 seconds. Finally, relax your left leg with a shake. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.